So my cousin Kaila here, she just caught a little silver porgy right here. Very worthy fish.
Nice.
Let's find nice. That's a big.
It's an eye for eye. Everyone that you are in the dead of night.
Oh, come on, it's Mr. Good One. Amy! I'm back here for another video. So, in this video, I went to the Boca Raton Inlet with my cousin, which you might have seen her from episode 2 of the Hilton Island Beach House series. Yeah, she came down into Florida, and basically we took her fishing at the Boca Raton Inlet to show her some of the beautiful tropical exotic fish we have down here. So basically, we start off over there along the seawall, caught some fish there, and then later on you see that's just going to be me, because she decided to take a break, and we're fishing more further up the inlet. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's get to it.
Alright, so what'd you guys get?
So my cousin Kaila here, she just caught a little silver porgy right here.
Nice.
A little piece of shrimp.
Let's see.
Let me de-hook her first.
Got it.
You got it? Yeah, I got it.
See that. Bring it up, let me see that fish. Nice. Nice. And we chucked that bad boy right back in. That's the first one, that's her first catch right now?
Yep.
So we are at the Boca Raton Inlet. So far, just caught one fish. Let's see what's gonna be the next catch. Next catch of the day. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Currents are ripping. There's a lot of rip currents right now, so swimming is not recommended today. So we decided we're gonna cast some lines. We're over here prepping up the line. So far, how many fish we got? 3 for 3? 2 for 1?
You got one, I got one.
Oh, 1 for 1? Alright. Alright, so what we got?
I just caught this beautiful French square right here.
Let me see.
Look at that. Free and worthy fish.
Nice.
This fine spot filled with them. I'm trying to see if I can get the blue stripe around it, which would be new.
Let me see that.
But look at that.
That looks real nice. Nice.
Yeah. Oh. I'm going to drop this guy back and I'll try to get her onto one.
You try to see if she gets one?
Yep.
Nice.
You got shrimp here? Look at this thing. Beautiful.
Oh, what's that? A Sergeant Major?
Yep, beautiful.
Let me see that Sergeant Major.
Got stuff up around.
See that guy? Let me see that guy. Sergeant Major. Nice.
Okay, dude, so I'm going to drop it back.
Alright. Drop it back in. Nice. Any luck over there, Kaila? Oh, she got another Sergeant. We got another Sergeant Major right here. Look at this. Nice. Look at that. Look at the colors on that guy. Wow. Let me see. Nice. flipping and flopping all over the place. Oh, you're gonna grab him. Just go for it. There you go. Yep, you get it from the bottom.
Definitely gotta grab him from the bottom.
Get it from the bottom. You gotta go for it quick. There you go. And hold, and there you got him.
You gotta get the hook out?
And then with right there, you see that hook? There you go.
It's a little bit hard when you first start fishing.
Just pull it up. It's like sewing. Oh, she got it out. Nice. See ya. All right.
Yeah, you ain't got it for the dog today.
That was awesome. Oh, that's the same one that Aiden caught before. Aiden! Oh, remember, get him from the bottom. Nice. Woo. Which one is this one, Aiden?
That's the French grunt.
Another French grunt. Another French grunt?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can de-hook them. Nice. Oops, she's working it. There you go. Gotta go under. Pull out and up. There you go. Come out. There you go. Home and chuck. Nice. Oh! There you go. Look at that guy. Let that bad boy swim away. Alright, nice catch. So what did we get here?
So I got a Sailor's Choice grunt right here. This is like one of the second ones these I've caught so far.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's just good bait fish, but it's too much current here to do that.
Oh, let me see the top. Look at the top. Look at the head. Looks like a snake.
Yeah, it kind of does. So we're going to de-hook him and just hook him back.
So we're gonna try to do the zigzag. Bring it in. Zigzag. Right there, right there. Oh, might not. Go ahead, bring it in more. Right there. I think right there there's something. They're coming. Oh, there he goes. That looks like a hairy blenny. See it? Right there. How about in there? Oh, what you got?
Oh, night.
Oh, what is that?
What are they called? I'm pretty sure they're called night majors.
Let me see that guy. Whoa, look at this. Those are the ones that we're trying to go for.
Yeah, I think so. Look at that.
Look at that. Let me see that. Hey, what's that called?
A night major.
What is that on the bottom? Oh, that's just scale. Look at that.
Finally worked. The bobber looks like it's working.
Yeah, because it doesn't get caught on the rocks.
Exactly. Well, that's like a little spine on its gill. I'm careful with that.
So we use the bobber.
Yeah.
Ooh. We use the bobber.
Help it out.
Yeah.
Using bobbers in salt water. Have you ever seen that before?
Yes, I think I have.
I've seen them use the popping cork before, but never bobber.
Oh, it floats. A device that floats, in my opinion. Whatever floats on the top. As they say, whatever floats your boat. Cast it again. Zigzag method. We let it go out. Then we bring it back in. And the bobber is preventing it from getting caught on the rocks. There's a lot of current right here over at the inlet. This is the Boca Raton Inlet. I think I see something eating it. Nope. No, I will cast it right back in there. Beautiful day today, however, there's a lot of warnings. Rip currents, a lot of rip currents. The signs are up, danger, rip currents. The lifeguard just made some people get out the water. But we're here. I think. Oh, is it?
Harry Bunny.
What is it?
Harry Bunny.
See?
Over there, Harry Bunny.
Another hairy bunny. But I don't think those are the guys that were there.
Nope. See hook this guy? The female.
Trying to get them off there. Yep. Hairy bunny. We got the boats coming in. out, and he's back in the water. What do you think you got? No, we got another what?
French grunt.
French grunt? Can we catch these?
Yeah, I already caught one.
They're beautiful either way. Nice cute little fish. There you go. Bring it in. Let's bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Right there, bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it right into that pit. Bring it right into that pit right there. There you go. Oh boy. Can you see? Huh? Oh, I see something. Did we get him?
We got,
What is that?
Black margate.
Did we catch that today?
No, we haven't caught that today.
Oh wow, let me see. That's a what? Black margate. Man, he looks like, look at those fins on the top. Oh my God, sand. Oh. Let me see. Wow. It's nice. Is that what we're looking at? No.
No, it's not what we're looking at. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, you know. So as you saw, it started off with me fishing with my cousin right there at Boca Raton Inlet along that seawall. You know, caught some grunts, spot-tail pinfish, sergeant majors, and stuff like that. And after that, no, my cousin was already tired, Kaila, so she was just over there chilling on the beach. So I continued to do some a little bit of fishing on my own, and so I caught a whole bunch of exotic fish there, which I don't feel like I mentioned all the name because there's quite a lot of species there, but you saw them in the video, you know what I mean? No, like stuff to the sergeant majors, the grunts, whatnot, the night sergeants, stuff like that. So yeah, it was you know, a pretty decent day on the beach. You know, still take my cousin out fishing and show her some of the exotic fish. Hopefully next time she comes down here though, we're gonna actually be able to show her some of the big fish she got down here, which I did once before in the past on the Everglades, but that's before I started this YouTube channel. But I want to take her out to get after some like snook, tarpon, barracuda, stuff like that. So next time she comes down here, we're definitely gonna be doing that. But if we get the time to do that, of course. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, just get like, subscribe, ring the notification bells, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.